We are going to start with the exercise medicine in rehabilitation of the knee joint pathology. Whether it's any condition, we'll be describing each and every exercise, and after that I will be telling you which exercise to be performed in what alignment and pathology. First we need to take this towel and roll this towel After rolling this towel, we need to keep it under the knee. Under the knee, we can see the joint line, above the joint line. Do not keep in between the joint line, do not keep below the joint line. It's under the knee and above the joint line. Whether the patient is, the joint line can be down here, 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 due to pathology. Okay, we'll tell the patient to press through the knee to the towel so that there is a contraction in the quadriceps muscle. यहाँ पे focus करो, दबाओ तो. You can see a visual contraction in the in the quadriceps muscle. The patient need to hold this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again release it. This repetition, and again we'll tell the patient to do it. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leave it. This exercise will be performed twice a day, BD, after food, 10 repetition a day with 10-second hold. After performing this quadriceps exercise, we need to also perform the adductor exercise by keeping your towel in the same rolled form and keeping, please focus over here. We are keeping the joint line over here and the over here. Above the joint line you need to keep it over here. Okay, and press it. दोनों घुटना को press करो. After pressing this, you can see there is a contraction in the quadriceps muscle and over here in the bilateral adductor muscle. Sorry, in the adductor muscle. The same repetition goes over here also. For we have to do this exercise for the 10 repetition with 10-second hold, BD, that is twice a day. Okay, now after this exercise we need to do VMO. The next exercise name is VMO 60 degree. It's an isometric exercise. Okay, we need to flex the knee to 60 degree, the other knee also to the 60 degree downward, and keep the towel to incline. See, not like this, not like this. We need to keep the towel like this towards the femur, tibial shin. Okay, now we'll suggest the patient to press the towel inward. Press. You can see over here the VMO, the vastus medius obliques muscle will be contracted. This exercise has to be also performed 10 seconds hold for 10 repetition twice a day. Okay, after this exercise we will perform an SLR. We'll keep the patient 180 degree flat. This is straight leg rise for 20 degree. We'll allow the patient to lift the leg for at least 20 degree above, and the patient will see there is a contraction in the lower part of the quadriceps, lower part. We divide the quadriceps muscle from the hip joint to the upper pole of the patella in 3 parts: the lower part, the middle part, and the upper part. The lower part to be contracted is in the 20 degree. As we move it upward to around 30 degree, you see the middle part of the quadriceps is contracted, and more than 45 degree, more than 45 degree, you see the upper part of the quadriceps muscle has been contracted. So we have a aim of 20 degree for contracting the quadriceps muscle. This is the straight leg rise. This repetition also has to be done for keep your leg 20 degree above. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. For 10 seconds you need to keep the leg up for 10 repetition and twice a day. Simultaneously, after performing this exercise of isometric quadriceps, isometric VMO 60 degree and isometric adductor and SLR 20 degree, we will perform, keep here this thing, and this we will be performing an hamstring tightness or strengthening exercise. How to perform a hamstring tightness? We need to keep the leg 60 degree, we need to lift the ankle 20 degree to 10 degree above, and we'll tell the patient to press through the ankle joint to the downward. You can see in the hamstring there is substantial contraction. Can you feel here the contraction? Yeah. So this is an hamstring contraction. So isometric hamstring, this repetition also has to be done for 5 repetition. Why 5 repetition? There is a cause, because this muscle gets exhausted very fast, because the patient having a knee pain will have a less grade of muscle gradings in the quadriceps, in gluteus and hamstring. So we are going to perform in the initial stage 5 repetition, 10 seconds hold for twice a day. Got it? Now after this we need to also perform the gluteus isometric. How do we perform a gluteus isometric? We'll allow the patient to bend the knee till 70 to 80 degree. Now we'll allow the patient to contract here gluteus muscle, the pelvic, downward to the floor. Push karo niche. As the patient pushes down, there will be a contraction in the gluteus, in the gluteal muscle. So this is a gluteus isometric, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this repetition also has to be done through 5 repetition, 10 seconds hold, twice a day. Okay, so once more we recapture on the isometric exercise. The isometric exercise, what we did for the knee rehabilitation is the isometric exercise for the quadriceps, isometric exercise for the adductor muscles, group muscle, isometric exercise for the VMO 60 degree, SLR 20 degree, and hamstring with 5 repetitions, 60 degree hamstring, and the gluteus 80 degree contraction to the pelvis. So these are the isometric exercise for the rehabilitation. These isometric exercises has to be followed with any knee rehabilitation except the sports rehabilitation for at least for 15 days, twice a day, in the prescribed dose what I have told you earlier. Now we are going to move in the dynamic section of this exercise. Okay, so patient is allowed to make to sit. Come, a back jaw. What is dynamic exercise? Dynamic exercise describes any exercises which can be performed by the dynamic movement of the function of the knee or any part of the body, which can be a dynamic exercise. Under resistance or without resistance, or gravity eliminated position, or with gravity, against gravity, that is grade 4. So a patient with a knee surgery coming and he did his isometric exercise for 15 days, and after that we need to move whether the muscle grading has gone against gravity, that is grade 3 plus, or it's 4. So we need to do what? We will put the patient in a sitting position of knee flex to 90 degree to the this. Now we will allow the patient to lift the leg upward. उठाओ ऊपर, खुद से उठाओ. you are visual to see there is, after lifting the leg to 180 degree of the flat to the plane, in the sagittal plane, you see there is a contraction in the muscle. So this contraction in the muscle is dynamic quadriceps. How will the patient perform? See, usually a patient will perform this exercise in this position, which is not accepted. So the positioning of the patient has to be very good. How do we position? We'll make the patient sit very straight, hand on the thighs, upper thigh. Now we'll make the patient to lift the leg. Please lift it up. As we lift this, there is a substantial control and contraction in the quadriceps muscle, apart from activation of the other associated muscles, which do form an agonist and antagonist and synergist. So we are only working on the agonist, we are not working on the antagonist. What are antagonists, what are the agonists, what are synergist muscle? I know I should be knowing, everyone knows about this. So anyway, so we are working on this activated muscle, which is the quadriceps, for the dynamic quadriceps. This exercise has to be also performed for the 10 repetitions with 10 seconds hold twice a day. After 15 days of sitting or 10th day of the sitting, we can add this. When a patient is been able to do the exercise, when the patient is been able to perform this exercise on grade 2 or grade 3 or 3 plus of the MMT grading. Okay, now बोल क्या बंद